how to fix Messenger not sending photos. If you want to fix Messenger not sending photos, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down and then go with apps. Under apps, go with manage apps and search for Messenger. After searching for your Messenger, you need to go with the clear data, which is on the bottom right, and clear your cache. Tap on OK. Once you've cleared your cache, your problem may be fixed. If that still doesn't, then go with the app permissions and make sure that you've allowed all of your permissions like microphone, music and audio. Go and select allow only while using the application or ask every time. But with the ask every time option, you might get frustrated. So you can go and select allow only while using the application. Do this with all the other not allowed things and your problem may be fixed. Or the next thing you can do is open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you can go with search, and under search, you need to search for Messenger. After searching for your Messenger, if you have any updates under your Messenger, go and update it. And after updating, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.